What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content, guys. We're gonna be going over a traveler case here from the folks at Carved. I've gone through a couple of phones here. These are the live edges here for the 15 and the 14 Pro Max. We also have a traveler case here that was the gunmetal that came out a few months ago. I love these cases here because they're made out of genuine walnut burl and they add the really cool acrylic in there. Today we're gonna go ahead and show you here what I opted into for the iPhone 15 Pro. With that said, this is the sponsored video from the folks at Anker. If you want to get 15% off your first genuine leather accessory here, check the code down below, Tech Influence, for 15% off. Carved has been one of my favorite go-tos here for the iPhone 14. I really bought a couple of these cases more than I should have, but they're just beautiful. We opted into one that kind of features more of this baby blue here with the walnut burl here. I wanted to be able to have a case that my wife could use. Not necessarily a live edge case, but a traveler case, and I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised. It comes with this really cool hand-stitched textile bag, which I use for all my little go-tos, and then it comes with, boom, the case, some leather, some stickers, all that good stuff in the inside. With that said, there it is. I really thought that the white titanium juxtaposed on the white clouds here and kind of the blue accents of acrylic added to this walnut burl is gonna look really cool. Coming up close, you can see here, it is a veneer here that's basically glued into this polycarbonate and TPU case. It's nice and robust and ergonomic. This is gonna be able to hold your phone here for a long time. And then it's also got built into it Magsafe, which is really, really cool. I like how they got the cutouts here. If you wanted, you can go in and add a wrist strap here to the case here to provide you that. Now, unfortunately, they didn't go ahead and add the action button, and so you do have the punch out, a little hole there for that. You do have the aluminum anodized buttons here on each side, but just note that here that they unfortunately didn't retool this to have that. I'm pretty sure they'll have it in the future, but that was a little unfortunate. With that said, here we're gonna go ahead and place it in for the first time. As you place it in, it just looks so beautiful. It's nice and tight to the touch. It's gonna grab all the way around the bezels there. As you can see where the screen protector is, there is gonna be a little bit of a bezel. It's gonna give you probably a 1/16 of an inch, so it's not too much. As you can see here, you got the cutouts here for the speaker as well as the USB Type-C. We got the action button, which is still usable. You just kind of have to place it in there and click and press. You've got the anodized buttons there on the volume rocker as well as the power button. I really like the extra ergonomics. It looks like they added that here, which is a little bit different. Coming up closer, looking at the grain there, it's so cool. They add like some sparkles to the acrylic. They had a nice finish here to the wood to have it pop, and I've just got this really beautiful kind of coastal river area here that juxtaposes against this really beautiful white titanium. I like that. It's so nice. Now, if you wanted here, you can go ahead and use these Magsafe accessories here. I've got this Magsafe snap-on here, 3-in-1 from Murpiso. It charges here at 5 watts, which is nice. If you wanted to have something that was a little more content creation, you can add this SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. I really like this. ShiftCam has a lot of these cool products here. It snaps right onto there, the Magsafe. It's gonna hold on tight, not going anywhere. You even have like a dedicated shutter button. You can charge here at Magsafe compatibility with this selfie stick and tripod mount, which is really cool. I like that. Andar in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Andar features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Andar sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. With that said, guys, I really like this case. I think it's really awesome. This is not a sponsored video from Carved. Nonetheless, the folks at Andar do have a 15% code there, as you saw in the ad. It's a great way here to be able to lift up your lifestyle, especially if you want to match it here with this really cool rustic walnut burl case. I'll put a link for Carved down below if you want to check that out. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.